Hi everyone, my name is Kaushik. I'm today trying to solve the July LeetCode challenge problem. The problem is word subsets, and the problem came as LeetCode medium. So let's focus on that. So basically, you are given a two string arrays, words one and words two. Uh, Basically, a string B is a subset of string A if every letter is in B occurs in A, including multiplicity. So basically, according to the example, that WRR is a subset of warrior, but is not a subset of world, because WRR is not multiple times present in the as same as in the world, but in warrior that is present, because WRR is present in the warrior but not in the world. So basically, we'll have to find that uh, basically one a string A from word 1 is universal it for every string B in the words 2. So B is a subset of A. So we'll have to return that a array of all universal string of word 1 is present, and I may return that all any that answer is in any order. So basically I am trying to do that. So first make dry run, and then after that I am trying to do the coding interpretation of my approach. First of all, I am trying to take that example what is given there. First of all, that is Amazon, Google, Amazon, Google, Amazon, Google, Apple, Facebook, LeetCode. Apple, Facebook, and LeetCode. And the word two, basically there is two string has been given, that is E and O. E and O. So first we'll have to check that E and O present which string basically. That is E is present and O is present there. So that is an answer of there. Yeah, Google is present. E and O has been present there. E and O. So Facebook has an answer, and LeetCode also has same E and O. So basically that is the answer. So what I am trying to do that first I will I will check the word 2. So which word 2 has been present, E0, E and 0. So first I will take that number of occurrence is present. So in as a count. That is the basically I am taking that order of count of 26, all are 0 basically. And after that, and what I am trying to do that each and everything, that means suppose E and O, there is a string basically, suppose it may have present EOOL. So in that case I will take that one and that one for loop for there, and each character has been present, and how much count has been present in there, and I will trying to search that maximum number of count of character has been present in the global array. The total. That is, suppose E and O has been present, O and L has been present in that case. So what will do that E will be updating there one time, and 0 will be updating there one time, and for that and when the OL has been present there, there is also one time, there is also one time. But suppose in that case the OOL has been present, in that case 2. So when the 2 times O has been present there, that is the global count I have been taking that there. So that will be updated from O position, that will be updated from 1 to 2, and the other value has been present there basically. E has been one times and the L has been one times. That's the value has been I am trying to take there. So I am trying to implement the logic basically. Hold on. Yep. That one. I'm copying there. Going to pasting. Yep. That one. And E sorry, yep, that one, E and O. So right now I'm trying to do that. That's the E, that is the O, that is 1 and 1. And right now I am trying to traversing all the character has been present in all the string of that the array, basically of that word 1 array which has been given there. So what will do that? First Amazon, what is do? First I will check that the all the character has been present, that is A 2 times, M 1 times, Z 1 times, O 1 times, N is 1 times. And right now from 1 to 26, 0 to 26, that 25 basically. In that case, what is happening that first I will check that if any count value, the global count value is greater than the temporary value, I mean that value, that value is greater than, and if that is the count value is not equals to 0, and count value, that is the global count value, is not equals to 0, and that is lesser, I mean the greater than the temporary value, that one. So in that case, that will be not been possible to the subset there. That is not possible to subset there, because my global value, that one and that one, that counting is already greater than that the occurrence of each character has been present right now. So in that case, that will be not possible to make that subset. So that is why I will make that is not possible to subset there. And after that, all the traversal has been completing from that 0 to 25. If I am taking that as a boolean value, if the subset is true, basically, if the subset is true, in that case I will putting that string into that I mean the returning answer, otherwise I will continue to the next value. First one, that one I will be putting there, that the next value, that one, and right now I am putting that value there. Yep, that is the Google. So what is that? Google is G is 1, 0 is 2, and EL is 1 and E is 1. So that is why I have already EG1 and O1. So already right now the count value is count I is 0 for there. I mean that for 0 case, I mean that for if I have been taking that as a count to 0. So that is 1. So that is not greater than 2. So that is not possible, that is false. So it may possible that 1 times, and when the E value, first I will check that, we'll have to check that E value, count is 1. 1 is greater than 1? No. So that both condition has been fulfilling. So it is a subset. So after that, the Google has to be put into that returning answer. So Google has been inserting into there. So right now I am trying to another example. I mean that another traversal. What is that? I think it is hanging. Okay, no, hold on. A is 1, P is 2 times, L is 1 times, E is 1 times, and I have E and O. That is all are 1 times. So if I have been taking that E has been 1. 1 is greater than 1? No. So that is an still have a chance. But 0 is, I mean that current value is 1 and the temporary value 0. Is it true? Yes. So that is not possible to subset there. So that is not true. Not true. So after that I am trying to check that Facebook. So what is that? Facebook. F1, A1, C1, E1, B1, O2, K1. So I have E1 and O1. So E is present there 1 times. 1 is greater than 1? No. And 2, I mean that, 1 is greater than 2? No. So that is both the condition. Now that is the subset. So I am inserting that Facebook into that returning answer. So right now what is that? That is the Google, and the Facebook has inserted into that the returning answer. And after that I am trying to last example, that is lit code. So L is 1, E is 2, T is 1, C is 1, O is 1, D is 1, E is plus 1, that is 3. So I have E1, O1. So what will do that? First I will check that E is count value is 1 and that is 3. That is not possible. And O is 1. 1 is greater than 1. No. So that is a subset. So after that, what will do that? So Google, Facebook, I am taking the short form, and the lit code. So that is the my final answer. So what I am trying to do that, basically I am taking the 2 times order of 26 size vector. So basically I am taking if I have been say that there is the order of 1 space complexity by order of 26, because it is a constant. So I am telling about that order of 1, and I am traversing that the what 2 times, that is if I have been taking that max to max order to length and the max of that which value has been present there. And if I have been taking both of as an m, and the all are that is the, if I have been taking that as an x, and maximum size of that word 1 size word 1 array, so that length will be, if I have been taking that one, so if I have been taking the xy or the m into n, basically that is the time complexity of that, because x is that that's all time I have been repeating, and I have been taking the which the maximum value of string. If the maximum value is great, that is the Facebook maybe 1, Facebook 4, and book is 5. Yeah, that is 4, that is 8 times. So 8 into x, and as it is same there for that is the 2 into 1. So basically that 2 into y, that is the basically the time complexity of that all traversing there. So basically that I am taking that as a mx mn plus x into I. That is the way. So right now I am trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. First I will take that vector of integer temp of 26 0 and global count 26 comma 0. So after that what I will do that, for auto word of word 2. So after that I found that word, and right now I am traversing that the word character. So auto ch of word. So after that what I will do that, every time that will be the I am taking that as a temporary. So basically temporary vector will be updating as an repeating times. So what I will do that, so that is the updating into there, that is I mean that 26 comma 0, that one. And after that, when the temporary variable has been present, I updating that temporary variable minus a. I am taking that the ASCII value basically, and that will be updating there. And right now I am updating the global count. So global count, what I will do that, I am taking that the maximum value which has been currently right now on character has been present there. So ch minus ASCII character is equals to max of global count ch minus a comma, so what is happening, and the tmp of ch minus a, that one. So that is the my global value have been right now present. So after that, right now I'll have to traverse that word 1. So auto I of auto I of, sorry, I'm taking that word, if I'm taking so previous one, so words 1, right now the word have been found there, so same temporary factor have been resetting there, basically 26 of 0, and I'll have to take that as a bool value. Bool value is sub is equals to true. Right now is sub is for the start case, that will be all time, that will be that resetting as a true case, and right now I'm checking that the possibility of not subset case. So for auto character of word, and updating there tmp of ch minus a, that is will be taking the ASCII character and tm plus plus, and after that if the global count of, sorry, hold on, that will be the after taking that for loop for integer I 0 to I less than 26 I plus plus, and after that if global count of I is greater than the tmp of I, and global count of I is not equals to 0, in that case my subset is not possible to make that, so is sub will be false, and after that, after traversing there, if subset, I mean that not subset, in that case they continue, and otherwise I'll have to make that vector, basically vector of string the answer. What I'll do that answer is equals to push back the word. So after that the all traversal has been completed, I will return the answer. Yep. So I am trying to check that if my logic is correct or not. Yeah, it is accepted in the run code. I am trying to submit there. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.